In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp comments. Comments are one of the simplest but most powerful features in ClickUp because they keep all your conversations tied directly to the work you're doing. Instead of searching through long email threads or chat logs, you can discuss details right inside the task itself. Let's walk through how to do that step by step. First, you'll want to open the task where you want to leave a comment. In your ClickUp workspace, navigate to the space folder or list where your task lives. Then click on the task name to open it. This will usually open a panel or window on the side or in the center of your screen, showing the task details like the title, description, assignee, and due date. Once the task is open, scroll down or look for the comments or activity section, typically near the bottom or along a tab labeled comments or activity. This is where all discussion related to that task will appear. You'll see any existing comments that have already been added along with timestamps and who wrote them. This running history helps everyone on the team quickly get up to speed on what's been decided or what still needs attention. To add a new comment, look for the comment box, usually labeled with something like write a comment or add a comment. Click inside that box to start typing. Here you can share updates, ask questions, clarify requirements, or record decisions. Try to be as clear and specific as possible so your teammates immediately understand what you're referring to. For example, instead of just writing done, you might write, I've updated the document with the latest numbers from this week. One of the most useful features in ClickUp comments is the ability to mention people directly. This ensures that the right person gets notified and can respond quickly. To mention someone, type the @ symbol, the one that looks like this, @ and then start typing their name. ClickUp will show you a list of people that match what you're typing. Select the correct person from the list, and their name will appear in the comment as a mention. Mentions are especially helpful when you need a decision, an approval, or an answer from a specific teammate. For example, you might write something like, can you confirm that this is the final version? When you do this, ClickUp sends them a notification so they know there's a comment that needs their attention. This keeps communication targeted and helps prevent important messages from getting lost. After you've written your comment and added any mentions, take a brief moment to review it. Make sure it's clear, polite, and includes all the information someone would need to respond or take action. When you're ready to post it, look for the send or comment button, usually located just below or beside the comment box. Click that button to send your comment. You'll see your comment appear instantly in the activity or comments section of the task, along with the time and your name. If you mentioned anyone, they'll be notified according to their notification settings. From here, they can reply directly under your comment, keeping the conversation organized and easy to follow. That's all there is to it. You open a task, add your comment, mention people with the @ symbol when needed, and then send the comment. Used consistently, ClickUp comments become a central place for clear, focused communication around every task in your workflow.